The Canadian Standards Association Group, or CSA Group, provides access to thousands of technical standards, codes, guidelines, and other similar documents. To access the CSA database, navigate to the A to Z database list on the library website. This can be found by clicking Databases under Resources in the top menu bar, or the Databases and Collections button on the main page. You can find the CSA database on the database list by scrolling down or searching for its name. When you arrive on the CSA OnDemand website, there should be a message that recognizes you accessing the database through the library website. Click the My Library button anywhere on the page to navigate to the collection of documents. All of the documents purchased by SLC will be visible in this My Library list. You can search for a specific document using the search bar at the top of the page, or you can refine the list of results using the options on the left-hand side of the page. Note that this list contains CSA group documents as well as ICS code documents. Both collections can be searched by clicking their appropriate heading. When you click a document, all publication versions of the document will fan out, sorted by year. You must then click the designation of the version you'd like to view. Once you do so, viewing options will appear on the right side, as well as some details and overview info. You can view the document online at any time by clicking the View Online button. After loading, the document will appear in a viewer, with controls for navigating the document at the top. Due to publisher restrictions, your browser's print functionality will be disabled. To enable printing, see the later section in this video about creating a personal account. Some documents can be downloaded as a PDF, depending on copyright and other permissions. When you download a standard as a PDF, you'll have to open it with Acrobat Reader, a free program for viewing PDFs. Attempting to open the PDF in your browser will result in an error. When you open the PDF on your desktop, Acrobat Reader may ask for permission to access the CSA server, so click Allow when prompted. You may also receive an error message about disabling security preferences, in which case you can follow the instructions given. To access some of the more convenient features of the CSA database, you can create a personal account. Click on the CSA Group logo on any page to return to the OnDemand homepage, then click Self-Register Now. From here, you'll need to fill in the fields with the appropriate information and click Sign Up. With your own account, you can print documents, make notes directly on viewed documents, and save documents to your browser's memory for offline access. The CSA database is a great resource for referencing technical standards, codes, and guidelines. If you need any additional help getting the most out of this resource, our library staff is happy to help.